Hello, I'm Blaise. I'm 23 years old and I play Fifa for Eternal Blizzard.
Hi, I'm Kid. I'm 20 years old and I'm a FIFA player. My favorite card right now is Rafael, but through the whole year, I have to say Pogba flashback.
My favorite FIFA card, the Team of the Year icon Ronaldinho. My best formation, 4-4-2 flat, the Anders Vergang formation.
The best formations are the 4-3-2-1 and the 4-2-3-1. Obviously, I have to say Ronaldo, Manchester United fan.
Messi or Ronaldo, Lionel Messi. Best esport team, Eternal Blizzard Esport and Team Hullet Ninjas in Pyjamas.
Then the best esport team is for me Fnatic, because I really like Tex.
You're going the team to win the World Cup.
And my objective is to win as much as we can.